In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share stories on Facebook and Instagram using Meta Business Suite. If you manage content for both platforms and want a quick way to publish a story without switching back and forth between apps, Meta Business Suite makes that process much easier. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple workflow for creating and sharing a story so you can get your content live in just a few clicks. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and go to your main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Create Story and click it. This opens the Story Composer, which is the area where you'll prepare your posts for Facebook and Instagram. If you use Business Suite regularly, this is a useful feature because it helps keep your social posting organized in one place. After the Story Composer opens, the next thing you'll do is click Add Photo to Video. This is where you upload the media you want to use in your story. Since stories are highly visual, make sure you're selecting an image or video that looks clear, is properly sized, and fits the message you want to share. If you're posting branded content, it's also a good idea to double check that the file you're using is the final version before uploading. Once you click Add Photo Video, choose the photo you want to post from your device. Select the image and confirm your choice so it uploads into the composer. Give it a moment if needed, especially if the file is large. At this stage, it's helpful to quickly review how the story appears on screen. Make sure the image looks the way you expect and that nothing important is cropped out or positioned awkwardly. When everything looks good, go ahead and click Share. This publishes your story through Meta Business Suite to your connected accounts, allowing you to share the content efficiently without needing to post separately on each platform. It's a straightforward process, but taking a few extra seconds to review the content before sharing can help you avoid mistakes and keep your stories looking professional. And that's all it takes to share stories on Facebook and Instagram using Meta Business Suite. As you can see, the process is simple. Open the Story Creator, upload your media, choose your photo, and share it. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast part of your content workflow.